Hello and welcome. I'm Mary with GotSafety, here with today's lesson on Baler's shredder safety. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Shredders help dispose of paper, metal, and practically any material in between. Because of the nature of the machine, people who handle shredders should always be on high alert in order to avoid accidents. This lesson will discuss hazards, safe procedures, and some general tips to stay safe. As the name implies, shredders can not only dismantle many materials placed in it, but could cause serious injury and death if its hazards aren't taken seriously. As you're working around the shredder, be aware of the following and pay attention to later steps to avoid these hazards. With shredders, you may encounter dust inhalation. The amount of shredding creates tiny particles that can be very easy to breathe in and do some serious lung damage over time. Deflagration, dust explosion. Dust is combustible and can explode or become a bigger explosion under the right conditions. Stray scraps. Scraps of wood or metal can come flying out of the baler and cut your skin or eyes. Sharp blades. The blades can fatally cut you if you fall in or get a limb or article of clothing caught in the machine. Crushing from the ram and baler. The ram and baler puts the shredded material into easy-to-handle squares, but can also be extremely dangerous to be caught in. Like many other large pieces of equipment, there are safe procedures to follow when operating a shredder. Make sure you always perform proper lockout-tagout procedures before you perform any kind of maintenance or cleaning. This includes cleaning out of any kind of jam. Do not forgo any lockout-tagout procedures in the interest of saving time. Do not forget your PPE, or personal protective equipment, such as goggles and face shields, gloves to protect against splinters when handling wood or metal. Be sure to wear gloves.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.